So I'm sitting out here in my papaws, and my cousin, Skyler, I said I have 26 subs, and here's his reaction.
What the frick? Wow.
Thank you for not saying a cuss word.
I didn't say cuss word.
I know, I said thank you for not.
You're welcome.
Because YouTube will take down my video.
But I have 8 subs, and how does he...
It's called Discord, my dude. It's called Discord. Get Discord, and you might have some subs. Also, the reason why I'm muddy is because I was riding my new dirt bike I got from my
let's go show him that. Come on, Willie. Let's go show him on our dirt bike.
Call me FBI Robot, not that, because I don't want people knowing my real name.
But they already know now.
Shut up.
Oh, your name is Lily, right?
I will punch you in the face, dude.
Okay, I'm gonna look. Hey,
They're gonna be like, huh? Why is he calling them FBI Robot?
Okay.
Dude, that's gonna look good on camera. Here is my beautiful dirt bike.
And here's my dirt bike. Mine is bigger.
His is a 100, mine is a 70.
Yeah.
Look at it. Hold on. My helmet is in better condition than this crappy helmet.
I had that helmet for years straight.
I just got this helmet. It's called a YouTube, child.
YouTube.
Okay, hey, Willie, let's show them how I go back on that.
Oh yeah, that's my other cousin.
Yeah, I hope I didn't get too little a helmet for you.
You didn't.
You think it's alright?
Yeah?
I mean, I can get them next size up.
So boom.
No, it's fine.
Alright, well, when you
Oh, yeah.
grow that, Zach,
Hey,
you can have it or
Let's
something.
go down to the barrel.
Hold on, Skylar. Look, that's my other cousin's little crappy bike.
Hey,
What? It doesn't start.
well,
So, you call my stuff crappy?
Okay. I'm gonna go to the barrel.
Well, go down like you usually do.
Okay, then go to the barrel and get me on video going fast.
All right. You turn around up there. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here, folks. Special guest, Skylar. Wait, stand still. Alright, that's the end of the video, guys. See ya. Here,